In this video, we review Republic Tax Relief. Have you used Republic Tax Relief before? What was your experience? Leave your Republic Tax Relief review in the comments section below. Did you know that tax relief companies often charge fees ranging from $2,000 to over $40,000 for their services? Additionally, many of these firms have been reported to overpromise and underdeliver, leaving clients in challenging financial situations. Republic Tax Relief is a company that offers assistance to individuals facing significant tax debts. They provide services such as negotiating with the IRS on behalf of clients, aiming to reduce the total amount owed, and offering free tax debt consultations for individuals earning less than $90,000 annually. This initiative is designed to make their services more accessible to a broader audience. One of the advantages of engaging with Republic Tax Relief is their commitment to personalized service. They assess each client's unique financial situation to develop tailored strategies for tax debt resolution. This individualized approach can be beneficial for clients seeking solutions that align closely with their specific circumstances. Moreover, the offer of a free consultation provides potential clients with an opportunity to understand the scope of services and potential outcomes before committing financially. However, it's important to approach such services with caution. The tax relief industry has been marred by instances of companies that overpromise results and charge exorbitant fees. Some firms have been known to promise significant reductions in tax debt but fail to deliver, leaving clients in worse financial positions. It's crucial for individuals to conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from qualified tax professionals before engaging with any tax relief service. In summary, while Republic Tax Relief offers services that could potentially assist individuals in managing and reducing tax debt, it's essential to approach such services with a critical eye. Thorough research and consultation with qualified tax professionals are advisable steps before making any commitments.